Hi! If you're a Star Wars fan, you should definitely use this sound. Who is your favorite Star Wars character? Who is your favorite Skywalker? If you had a lightsaber, what color would it be? If you were in Star Wars, who do you think you would be best friends with? If you were in Star Wars, who do you think you would be in a relationship with? Who is your favorite droid? If you were in Star Wars, what planet would you want to live on? Who is your least favorite Star Wars character? And finally, when you think about Star Wars, what is the first thing that comes to mind?
Musical Jar Jar Binks, Jar 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 Binks. Musical humble servant, Jar 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 Binks, Jar 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 Binks. Oh boy, boy, I love you, Jar 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 Binks. Musical Jar Jar Binks. Sorry,
The ability to speak does not make you intelligent.
So you must leave.
Now get out of here.
no, Mrs. Musical Jar Jar Binks, Jar 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 Binks. Musical humble servant, Jar 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 Binks, Jar 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 Binks. Oh boy, boy, I love you, Jar 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 Binks. Musical Jar Jar Binks. Excuse me. The safest place with the longest city is where I belong. This is the hidden city. Please follow me now, here. Musical Jar Jar Binks, Jar 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 Binks. Musical humble servant, Jar 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 Binks, Jar 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 Binks. Oh boy, boy, I love you, Jar 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 Binks. Musical Jar Jar Binks. Mr. Taste on the orchid with the brisky morning munch.